Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, traveling to China for the first time. I know many of you might feel confused about what will happen inside the airport, what to expect when you arrive in China, and how you will reach your school. In this video, I will be covering all these details to ensure you have a clear understanding of each step. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Before you buy your ticket, make sure check the registration date on your admission letter. If it's not mentioned, you can ask your school for this information. It is recommended to arrive at least 2 weeks before classes start so you can complete all necessary tasks like medical checkups, visa renewal, and orientation session. In the next, you need to confirm from your international office the pickup service provided by your school from the airport, if they provide you or not. Next, the important task is you need to obtain an emergency contact from your school and keep them handy in case of any emergency situation upon your arrival. Next, after buying your ticket, you need to prepare these documents for immigration within your home country and China. Passport, JW form, admission letter, polio certificate, print of your ticket, China entry form. This form will be provided to you on the aircraft or upon arrival at Chinese airport. Keep these items with you all time and do not place them in your suitcase. Instead, keep them in your small backpack. And you need to install two apps before you fly to China, WeChat and VPN. WeChat is very important for several reasons. For example, at the Islamabad airport check-in counter, they will ask you to scan a code and fill out your information online. Upon reaching a Chinese airport, you will also need WeChat to access free Wi-Fi as the app is commonly used for various services in China. Next is VPN because VPN is very important. It will also helpful for translation purpose at the airport. As you are traveling for the first time, you should arrive at the airport at least 3 to 4 hours before your flight. Go to the line for international flights and show your ticket and passport at the entrance gate. Say your final goodbye to your family and enter inside the airport. After entering the airport, you need to go through airport security check. Follow the airport security procedure including removing your electronic device and liquid from your carry-on bag, and you need to walk through the metal detector or body scanner as directed by the security person. Once you have cleared security, collect your item and find your airline check-in counter. Drop off your luggage at the counter and get your boarding pass after checking in. If you have a connecting flight, ask the airline staff if your luggage will be transferred to your final destination or if you need to collect and recheck it yourself. And make sure you get a boarding pass for each flight. After getting your boarding pass, go to the immigration or passport control. You may have to wait in a long line. When it's your time, present your passport, boarding pass, and any other required document at the counter. After clearing immigration, find your flight gate number and wait there. When it's time, go to the gate and get on the plane. Upon arrival in China, follow the signs for the immigration counter. Present your passport, JW form, and admission letter. If asked, also show your polio certificate. Be prepared to answer questions such as where you are from, if you have been to China before, and what is the purpose of your visit to China, and in which school you are going. After answering the questions, They will take your pictures and your fingerprints will be also taken. After clearing immigration, go to the baggage claim area to collect your luggage. You may need to scan your luggage again at scanner. After this, proceed to the exit. You are done. If you have connecting flights, then you need to go to the terminal. It should be written on your boarding pass. And if you have to do your self check-in again your luggage, then do it again, and you need to go through the security control and immigration clearance that you first start. It should be same. And next you need to, after the immigration clearance, you need to go to the boarding gate and wait for it. And after this, then you need to repeat actually the same procedure. If you found the video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Good luck with your studies.